guy is bugging out. I don't know what medicine he's on today. He is tripping. A lot of weird people today. Look at the van behind me. It's like driving with its door open. Maybe someone farted real bad in there. It's bright. And then look at that storm. My goodness. Man, I was next to this guy a little earlier, and he was making like some really weird like faces. Like he was going like this, like I got video of it.
You see any tornadoes coming down?
Tornadoes?
Yeah, you'll see like a big finger coming down.
Shouldn't have a plane going in this weather, but maybe they're okay.
Oops.
Yeah, don't kill us now.
Oh my God! Oh, I can't even open the window! Oh, you are gross!
I farted!
Oh my God, you're gross!
What does it smell like?
It smells like rotten eggs!
Yeah!
Oh, disgusting! It still smells!
It smells like hot dogs.
Hot dogs!
I'm getting wet. Alright, it smells gone now.
No, it's not. It's still smelling.
I got more.
No, don't do one more.
No?
No, you better not.
What?
Stop. Wait till we get home. We go to the bathroom. No.
No, but I gotta go.
No, you better not. You better not. I swear I'll walk out of this into the rain.
It's not good to hold your farts in.
No, it is. It's good. Burp it.
Make it come out my mouth?
Make it come out your mouth.
But then I'll throw up poop.
No, you won't. No, you won't. You better not. God damn you, man.
What?
You better not have farted.
I didn't. All right, your first drum set ever.
These sticks.
Check it out. Go ahead, drop a beat. Come on.
No, I've worked a long time to try to find.
Gotta do it hard. Oh, look at it.
Here.
You could do your pen tapping skills.
Bottom looser.
I'm here with Melissa. We're cleaning out our storage shed that we have. It looked a lot worse than it really was. I thought this was gonna be like a 2-day project, but I mean, there's not much here. We're just trying to go through what's garbage and what's not. And if you ever look through some old stuff and you run into like some old memories, maybe some old pictures and stuff, and you get kind of distracted when you're trying to do something and it's like, oh wow, look, like I found this. Like we're finding some old cool stuff. You made that?
When I was in kindergarten. You want to see my pictures?
Yeah. Who's Ashley?
She was a neighbor that lived in our neighborhood.
Aw, you drew that picture?
No.
This is an old little storybook that Melissa made when she was, what grade were you in? Kindergarten?
Yeah.
Oh, that's freaking awesome. Look at that. Damn, you old. You were not born in '84.
Yeah, no, we screwed up. Go figure. I'd like to be a nurse someday.
Wow, look, it said, I'd like to be a nurse someday. Guess what she went to school to be? A nurse.
Nurse kindergarten. I made all of these. I made this one. I made this one. And this one. My brother made these two.
Oh, so Russ made those? You gotta keep all those. Oh, we're going through some old pictures and stuff, and yeah, I gotta show you some really neat old pictures. Where'd you put them?
What?
Like some of the old pictures that we had.
I didn't see it.
Look at that. What's in here? Oh, look, that's my beagle I used to have. And he ran away. And who do you think that is right there? That's me and my dad. That had to have been like 1982, 1983. But wow, that's such an old picture. That's so cool. And then check this out. This is Ethan when he was a little baby. And he was a newborn. I mean, his birthday was in November 27th. Here's something you won't see very much. When you used to develop pictures, they would throw your little film thing in this little holder. Wow. So I mean, this is what we used to put in cameras. For you young kids, you don't realize how good you got it. We used to have to put this in our cameras, and we couldn't even see what the hell we were shooting. Most of the time you just snap a picture and hopefully you got a good picture. Can't do that now. Now you take a picture and you could go back and take it 50 times before it's perfect. That's why there's some ugly people out there that you see them online and they're like, wow, they look pretty good. And you see them in person, they look like donkeys. Yeah. It's because of this. This showed people's real colors. Nowadays people can lie with pictures and Photoshop. Oh, look at Max. That was Max's first little girlfriend. That's Max when he was a baby. How cute. That frame got broken though. There's me when I was a baby. I got so many juicy pictures. Oh wow. This is what?
His face.
Oh, look at Max making some funny faces. That's crazy.
It's kindergarten.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send that to Miss Martin.
I've had this box of baseball cards since I was 10 years old, and I still got them. Check that out. They got to be worth some money. I'm going through some stuff. I'm probably gonna throw a couple things on Craigslist. There's just certain things that you have to keep, you know, that you've been holding on to for a long time, and there's stuff that you shouldn't keep. Like, get rid of that. Like, why do you have that? Oh, that's what we're kind of working on right now. Hey Max, I got you a vlogging camera.
Sure.
Here. It's a vlogging camera.
That's always me. It doesn't work.
You like it?
It doesn't work.
Look, it's a vlogging camera.
If it worked, I would use it.
Huh? You know that I gave you this for your birthday like freaking 5 years ago? This thing.
No, it was for Ethan.
Oh, it's for Ethan. Okay, this thing is such a piece of crap. It broke like they went on the trampoline with it, and the screen broke like right away. Like it doesn't work. Neat concept though, but it only shoots like in a 4x3 format. Blech. These guys, you little diarrhea factories. All these things do is poop all day and eat, poop, eat, poop. I mean, you don't eat poop, you just eat and poop. Here. Say hi. Say hi. I think I got food for him. Ow. Get a hug. Get a hug. Hi, baby. Oh, it's our little baby. Come here. I'm gonna cook you tomorrow. I found a little souvenir and I don't know if I should keep it or get rid of it, or honestly, I mean, if I got a video of it, I have a memory of it at least. But what does that look like to you? It looks like just a regular old purse, right? Well, what it really is what I used to film my pranks with.
Oh, I got your little bag.
Yeah. So I didn't really have much help when I first started doing pranks because everybody thought I was an idiot. Well, that hasn't changed much because I'm still an idiot. I do get a little bit more support though. But I used to put this bag like in shopping carts, and I'd have my little handheld movie camera, and it would fit in there. I mean, it's a little easier for me to hide cameras now because cameras are much smaller, but this is kind of what I made. I mean, I remember it took me like a whole night to do this, and what I did is I cut a bag up and I had to measure it and make sure it was good. I used electric tape, but you could see how it's got a little window there. And what that is actually a sunglass lens. You know, and I mean from far away, man, it doesn't look like nothing. I mean, it was perfect. It's a perfect hidden camera trick. Thank God I don't have to use this anymore, because that little lens kind of obstructed the view a little bit, and I don't know, I think I'm gonna keep it. I'm not much to keep junk, but I have to kind of keep this. I mean, this thing is busted. Look at that. I remember having to cut a little hole down there because they needed some more room to balance out. I don't know, it was just a bad creation. Look at this. Guess you could still use it.